All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Acrobat menu. Now again, you're going to need to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to have this option. So we can create an Adobe PDF here. We can edit the preferences, create and share. We can create and send for review, and then create PDF and run action. So you can make accessible, archive documents, publish sensitive information, optimize for web and mobile, optimize scan documents, prepare for distribution. Okay. Here we can create and send for review. So if I click on that, we can convert to a PDF, create and share, and then you can email that. And then preferences, you can edit the preferences here to what you need to do for PDFs. This is a valuable tool to have. If you don't have Acrobat, I recommend getting it because it gives you the ability to convert your document to a PDF, which makes it easier to view the information. So it's up to you, but that's the Acrobat menu. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.